It's another beautiful day here in Dubai, guys. We are in country number 4, United Arab Emirates, and I am so excited because this is day 3 in Dubai, and we are in our hotel number 2. So I'm gonna quickly show you, give you a quick room tour, and then we will get it started. So this, of course, is the door, and that is my room number 426. So when you get in, on your right, we have the wardrobes, and right here we have this very beautiful purple in color table and the very gorgeous they call them armchairs, and that is your baby girl. What do you think of my outfit of the day? This is what we are rocking here in Dubai. This is what we are rocking, and don't I just love me? Hey, guys. Hey, that's what 46 got on me. What do you think? The nyash is nyashing, 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 nyashing. Anywho, guys. So, I'm standing at the door. It's just, good, small enough. I'm standing at the door. And then on the right here is my little coffee tea station. All right. And then I have a wine thingy and a bottle opener. Guys, I'm staying at the Radisson. Johnny Wabi, I'm staying at Radisson Blu Waterfront in Dubai. This is hotel number 2. And then down here is an empty fridge. Just like I love them. Then on my right is my very comfortable bed. Don't I just love it? Oh my goodness, Radisson pillows are the best. Okay, so that's the bed. Just enough for me and me alone. Yeah, oh my goodness, I love it. It's so crisp and white and nice. I love it. And then these are, what do you call this thing? These call. What do you call a phone? Phone. You can go for room service if you want. Feed my soul, whatever that means. This is the restaurant. I think you can order in. And there's another phone there. Honestly, I don't know the difference between this one and the other one, but do I really care? And that's a little study over here. Hey, but this time, guys, I was not lucky with views because my room opens to this construction site, but that's basically the whole of Dubai. Everything is getting constructed but I have like a little teeny weeny view over there of the canal, but it's all good. I love it. Does the job it's supposed to do. But expect this in Dubai, like construction is happening literally everywhere. So I really love the curtains. So beautiful. Anywho, so now I'm standing at the window, and that's the view of the room. Radisson Blu Dubai Waterfront. That's where I'm at. So that's like the bedroom, and then let me show you the bathroom. So that's the bedroom. That's your girl. I love me mirrors. Yeah. And just like the other Radisson, lemon and pine, hand wash, body lotion, and then oh my god, feel the difference. Radisson Blu. I love that they've wrapped it all together. Like, oh my goodness, Radisson, you guys are doing yourself. Okay, that's the shower cup, vanity, dental, comb sleeve. And then that's your towel and sanitary bag. I love, guys, you by now know anytime I say that, because it's just gonna be feeling fresh every time you use the bathroom. And then the almighty bathtub. I love me bathtub. I love my bathtubs. Okay, and those are the towels and more of us here. So that's our bathroom. Guys, I didn't tell you the purpose of my trip to Dubai. So I am here to celebrate a friend who recently just got his British citizenship. Drum roll. I know for some of you, you'll be like, what's the big deal? Everything is the big deal, because you guys know, okay, you probably don't, but from a traveler's perspective, let me tell you, it's not easy when you love to travel and you have to go looking for all these visas upon visas. And I cannot tell you the number of countries that I've put on hold just because of the visa situation. Right now, there's 2 countries I applied for visas in January. I am recording this video end of March. I still haven't heard back from those embassies. I don't know what plans they have with me. So guys, when I hear a Kenyan has gotten his British citizenship, from a traveler's perspective, I wholesomely understand what a game changer that is. So that's why I flew in all the way. Your girl flew in all the way to come and attend this party. And guess what, guys? Your girl, Mimi Ivam Tali, I am the MC at this event. Mimi, shy girl. Guys, can you believe that? When I was in high school, I was so shy. I could not even answer a question in class. Like, if the teacher picked on me, I would rather die than answer a question in class. Now look at me, a whole YouTuber. How is that even possible, guys? But see, it happened. Like, I'm here to tell you guys, your dreams are valid. Whatever it is that you are dreaming about, whatever it is you have set intentions out there to the universe, whatever it is you have told God, I want this to happen. Guys, imagine it can happen, and life can surprise you in the most unbelievable of ways. Like, guys, look at me, an MC in Dubai at a British citizenship event. Who knew? But guess what the most interesting part about it? I'm gonna be here to bring you all of it right here on the channel. I'm gonna document the entire event. And guys, it's a themed party, so that means we're not just showing up vile unataka. We're gonna be wearing some exquisite dresses. I'm gonna take you guys through all of it, and it doesn't end with today's party. We started yesterday. We went to the desert safari. That video is also gonna be up here on the channel. And then today was just a relaxation day, and also we're sampling, like I told you guys, we are sampling different Radisson Blues here in Dubai. So this is the second one. You have to watch yesterday's video, because I did a whole room tour of the other Radisson where we're at Canal View. And this is the second Radisson Blu. So we are sampling the different Radissons here while at it. And I'm gonna bring you guys along. And then today is when we have like the actual party. And then tomorrow we have a yacht party, like to just crown up everything else and finish the entire celebration. And you guys are welcome to come along, because I am the DJ. No, not the DJ. I am the MC at tomorrow's yacht party as well. It's gonna be a themed one as well. It's exciting times, guys. So you are welcome. Thank you very much for sticking around. Remember, we said this year we are doing 15 countries 2025, and who is God? Who is God? We are on country number 4. Tell me, don't you like my nails? I love them. Country number 4, and it's only March. Guys, see you on the next one. So that's like the bedroom, and then let me show you the bathroom. So that's the bedroom. That's your girl. I love me mirrors. Yeah. And just like the other Radisson, lemon and pine, hand wash, body lotion, and then oh my god, feel the difference. Radisson Blu. I love that they've wrapped it all together like oh my goodness, Radisson. You guys are doing yourself. Okay, that's the shower cup, vanity, dental, comb sleeve, and then that's your towel and sanitary bag. I love, guys, you by now know anytime I say that because you're just gonna be feeling fresh every time you use the bathroom. And then the almighty bathtub. I love me bathtub. I love me bathtubs. Okay, and those are the towels and more of us here. So that's our bathroom.